Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to check your Amazon shopping voucher balance. This is really useful when you want to know exactly how much credit you have available before making a purchase. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. Make sure you're signed in properly before moving to the next step, as you'll need access to your account settings to view your voucher balance. Now that you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a menu option labeled Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this option and a drop-down menu will appear with several choices. From this menu, select Account. This will take you to your main account page where you can manage various aspects of your Amazon profile and settings. Once you're on the account page, look for the option that says Gift Cards. Click on it to proceed. This section is specifically designed to help you manage all your gift card and voucher-related activities, including checking balances, redeeming codes, and viewing transaction history. After clicking on gift cards, you'll be taken to a new page. In the upper left panel, you'll be able to view your current gift card or voucher balance. This display shows you the total amount of credit available in your account, making it easy to see exactly how much you can use towards your next purchase. The balance will be clearly visible, so you don't have to search around for it. And there you have it. You've successfully checked your Amazon shopping voucher balance. Now you know exactly how much credit you have available to use. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.